New Rochelle teenager with dreams of becoming a doctor, making sure those currently working hard, taking care of patients with coronavirus are getting the food they need. News 12's Michelle Brown continues our team coverage.
Business is down 50% at Familia Pizzeria on Mamaroneck Avenue in White Plains because of coronavirus. But they're getting by on big orders that come in now and again for pizzas and salads, like a $170 order to be delivered to healthcare workers at White Plains Hospital.
It helps us a lot because we could make a little bit more money. We're not even breaking even, but it helps a lot. We're not going deeper in debt.
So I started it on March 31st, which was National Doctor's Day.
Milan Acosta of New Rochelle placed that big order at the pizzeria. The 15-year-old aspiring surgeon started a GoFundMe campaign called Operation Feed a Hero. The more than $6,000 raised so far go toward ordering food from struggling local restaurants who then deliver the meals to area hospital workers.
I would like to be a doctor when I get older, and I just felt that I should share my appreciation for them by sending them food when they're overwhelmed and busy during the day.
All those pizzas and salads will be delivered to doctors and nurses on the palliative and ICU units here at White Plains Hospital. A mother in Milan's Jack and Jill membership group recently lost a parent to COVID-19 and wanted to thank the doctors and nurses working in those units for taking care of her before she died. Milan's own mother couldn't be more proud of the work her daughter is doing.
And this campaign is for the most part reflective of the type of person that she is. Her soul is so incredibly endearing, and she's always thinking about others.
A future doctor coming to the aid of those now on the front lines of a global health crisis. Michelle Brown, News 12.
Great work. And so far, Operation Feed a Hero has organized more than a dozen food deliveries to hospitals and other healthcare facilities throughout Westchester. It's great.